Okay, so I'm sure y'all probably seen the TikTok viral video of the spaghetti squash. Now, I'm going to do it, but I'm kind of doing it my own way. But I did roast these in the oven or whatever. I cut them in half instead of lengthwise. I think I did like horizontal or whatever. Okay, so that's that. All right, I seasoned it with Tony's chacheres, garlic powder, onion powder, and some other stuff. Season it with what you like, okay? But that's it. That's how it looks. Now over here I got some ground turkey cooking with an onion. I did a red onion. And so I'm just going to brown this up. And then I'm going to add garlic, minced garlic, and I'm going to season it really good with the same stuff that I used for the spaghetti squash. Now I am going to add some minced garlic. And then I also have this Boursin garlic and fine herbs, okay? We're going to add that to it. Heavy cream. And some spinach.
Okay, so now I'm just going to start adding in my ingredients, starting with the minced garlic. I did not measure, but we love garlic, so I probably used about 2 tablespoons. Next in the Boursin cheese. While you're here, please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you have seen so far, as that does help our channel, and we hope you consider subscribing for more content. Okay, so next I am sprinkling in some garlic powder. I also sprinkled in some red pepper flakes, some onion powder, and also my favorite seasoning, or one of my favorites, Tony's chacheres Creole seasoning. You can feel free to season your meat with whatever you like. Now I'm just going to stir it up a bit just to get these seasonings mixed in. I am adding in this whole pint of heavy cream. I shredded up some Monterey Jack cheese that I am adding in next. I cooked the spaghetti squash for 30 minutes on 400 degrees and they were still crunchy. So I put them back in the oven while I was cooking the meat sauce for an additional 20 minutes. I later learned that that is the texture of spaghetti squash. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. I used a fork to separate the noodles and kind of just pull them apart. And then I washed my spinach.
I know in the bag it says washed and ready to use, but I always do it again because I don't trust it. Okay, I put half the bag, which seems like a lot. So I'm going to let this cook down in here and see if I need any more.
Okay, y'all, I actually used the whole bag of spinach. Once it cooked down, I realized I needed all of it. So I left the stems and everything on there, okay? I didn't chop it up or cut it up or anything. I just added all of the spinach as you saw. So just an FYI, the sauce got really thick as it was cooking, and so I had to add a cup of milk to loosen up the sauce. I did not re-season because I did taste it and it still tasted just fine. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff these spaghetti squash. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the rest of the Monterey Jack cheese that I shredded up right to the top of our spaghetti squash. And these are going to go back in the oven just to melt the cheese. Okay, y'all, this is the end result. Now, for the last 3 or 4 minutes, I did broil these just to brown the cheese a bit, but that is it. We have the viral TikTok spaghetti squash recipe going on here for dinner. I believe the young lady's name is Golden Sierra, so y'all can look her up, okay? But now it's time to taste it. Let's see what all the hype is about.
All right, y'all know where we're going with this one.
It looks interesting. What is it?
Spaghetti squash.
Spaghetti squash.
You gotta mix it so you can get some of the squash.
Oh, right. We'll do that. It smells great, y'all. All right, here we go. Can you hear it? All right, here we go. It's healthy.
Dang, that don't sound
It has
good.
a good taste. It has a good taste. I'm just trying to see how to explain it.
The noodles are still crunchy. I don't think they get any softer.
It's good. I'm not quite sure how to explain it though. It's turkey.
Yes, ground turkey.
You gotta try it. I do like it. I could eat this.
So what did you say it was mixed with, Mom?
It's spaghetti squash with somewhat of an Alfredo sauce with spinach, ground turkey.
I gotta work this careful because I just got my braces with my expander. This is really good. I like it. It's got a pretty good savory taste. It reminds me of Alfredo a lot. You said it had Alfredo in it, right?
Yeah.
So,
What about the texture of the spaghetti squash? It's a bit crunchy, just a little bit.
I gotta get some of the corn. Why is it called spaghetti squash?
Because the inside is like spaghetti. It's very hot.
Yeah, that's hot.
Well, I'll let you enjoy. I'll go away.
It's good though. It's good. I enjoy it.
All right.
Well, I tell y'all what, I like it. The texture and all, the flavor profile, it all works. So y'all give it a try. As always, we thank y'all so much for watching Ballards by Design. We'll catch you on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.